Have you ever felt nervous talking to someone in English? Don't worry. Today, we're going to change that together. We'll practice conversational skills you can use every day to help you speak with confidence. I'm Professor English, and can you believe we're already on day 9 of our 10-day challenge? If you missed any of the earlier lessons, be sure to go back and watch them for the best results. If you're enjoying the challenge, please subscribe and hit the like button to support us. Let's jump right in and get started. Let's start with how to begin a conversation. Today, we'll talk about something everyone experiences, the weather. It's a great way to break the ice. Here are some sentences you can use to start a conversation about the weather. Examples. How's the weather today? Isn't it a beautiful day? I heard it might rain later. Now, repeat after me. How's the weather today? Isn't it a beautiful day? I heard it might rain later. Great! Now let's practice some possible answers. For question 1, how's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. For question 2, isn't it a beautiful day? Absolutely. The sky is so blue. For question 3, I heard it might rain later. Yeah, I heard that too. I'll bring an umbrella just in case. Repeat after me. It's sunny and warm. Absolutely. The sky is so blue. Yeah, I heard that too. I'll bring an umbrella just in case. Next, let's learn how to keep the conversation going. What do you do for fun? Have you traveled anywhere recently? What is your favorite food? Repeat after me. What do you do for fun? Have you traveled anywhere recently? What is your favorite food? Now, let's practice with some possible answers. For question 1, what do you do for fun? I enjoy playing soccer. For question 2, have you traveled anywhere recently? I went to the beach last week. For question 3, what is your favorite food? I love pizza and ice cream. Repeat after me. I enjoy playing soccer. I went to the beach last week. I love pizza and ice cream. Now, let's learn how to end a conversation. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now. Let's chat again soon. Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now. Let's chat again soon. Great, now let's practice with some responses. For statement 1, it was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you too. For statement 2, I have to go now. Have a great day. For statement 3, let's chat again soon. Goodbye. Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you too. Have a great day. Goodbye. Now, it's your turn. I want you to practice with me. I will ask you a question, and you can answer out loud. Remember, this is your time to practice. Use the phrases we learned today. Ready? What's the weather like today? Your response could be, it's sunny and warm. What do you do for fun? Your response could be, I like to play the guitar. It was nice talking to you. What do you say back? Your response could be, thank you. See you later. Let's do some role playing. I will give you a situation and I'll show you how to respond. You are at a cafe and see someone reading a book. What do you say? You can say, hi, what book are you reading? Great. If they reply, I'm reading a mystery book, you could say, I love mystery books. What's it about? You are at a party and meet someone new. What do you say? You can say, hi, how do you know the person who invited you? Excellent. If they say, I'm a friend from college, you can say, that's nice. What did you study? You are waiting in line at a store. What do you say? You can say, it looks like a long line today. If they respond, yes, it is, you could say, I hope it moves quickly. These examples help you practice and learn how to keep conversations going. Now, let's have a quick quiz to check what you learned. Answer these questions. 1. What can you say if you see someone reading a book? A. What time is it? B. Hi, what book are you reading? C. Do you have a pet? The correct answer is B. What book are you reading? 2. If someone says they are a friend from college, what can you ask next? A. What did you eat today? B. What did you study? C. How old are you? Very good. The correct answer is B. What did you study? 3. If you see a long line at a store, what can you say? A. It looks like a long line today. B. Do you like ice cream? C. What is your name? Awesome! The correct answer is A. It looks like long line today. Great job! You're learning how to have conversations in English. Here are some tips to improve your conversational skills. Practice with native speakers. Talking with someone who speaks English well helps you learn correct phrases and pronunciation. Listen to English conversations. This helps you understand how people talk in real situations. You'll notice how they start and end conversations. Practice in front of a mirror. Speaking in front of a mirror can help you see your expressions and build confidence. Use language apps. Apps make learning fun. They often have conversation practice, which helps you improve your speaking skills. Remember, these tips will help you feel more comfortable speaking English. Fantastic job today! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. Also, I'd love to hear from you. In the comments, share your favorite weather-related conversation starter, or tell us about a recent conversation you had in English. Your experiences can inspire others. Keep practicing your speaking skills. Bye for now.